Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wood protection, specifically comparing Varnish vs. Glaze for painting wood. Plus, we'll explore the essential considerations when it comes to painting wood outdoors versus indoors. Let's get started. Wooden furniture and structures outdoors add a charming touch to any garden or balcony. But when exposed to the elements, wood needs proper protection. That's where glazes and varnishes come into play. Now, let's clarify the distinction between varnish and glaze. Varnish, made from resins, provides a smoother appearance to wood, but might not be the best for shock resistance. Glaze, on the other hand, uses harder and more effective resins, making it ideal for high-impact areas like wooden floors. The choice between using glaze or varnish depends on your specific needs, the type of project, and where the finished product will be located. Here are some considerations to help you decide. Varnish covers the natural coloring and grain of the wood, providing a colored and opaque finish. If you want a more uniform look and are not concerned about preserving the wood's natural characteristics, varnish might be suitable. Varnish offers a protective layer against the elements, including UV rays, moisture, and general wear and tear. It is commonly used for outdoor projects. Varnish can provide a durable finish, making it suitable for surfaces that may experience a lot of use or exposure to harsh conditions. Varnish can be used on both indoor and outdoor wood surfaces. Glazes preserve and highlight the natural grain of the wood. If you want to showcase the inherent beauty of the wood, especially in indoor projects, glaze might be a better choice. Glazes, especially those designed for parquet floors, are formulated with high-performance, high-hardness resins, making them suitable for areas with high impact like floors. Glazes can be a good option for both interior and exterior projects, providing flexibility and usage. Glazes can penetrate the wood more deeply, providing a different look compared to the more surface-level finish of varnish. Why choose varnish? Well, wood stains, like varnishes, are opaque coats that cover the natural grain of the wood, allowing for colored and opaque finishes. On the other hand, glazes preserve and highlight the inherent grain of the wood better. The choice between glazing or varnishing depends on your desired outcome and whether the wood will be used indoors or outdoors. When painting outdoor wood, the process is different due to exposure to harsh weather conditions. Priming becomes crucial to prevent issues like fungus and rot. Apply glazes in multiple coats to achieve a smoother surface, and use wood preservative stains for added weather protection. The color of the glaze also affects the level of weather protection. Painting indoor wood is a different ballgame. Priming is often skipped as weather conditions are irrelevant. Water-based wood stains are recommended indoors to avoid strong odors associated with solvent-based ones. Consider the type of wood stain based on the application area, like ceiling panels. Now let's talk about the application process. Before applying glaze or varnish, ensure the wood is clean and smooth. Stir the glaze to evenly distribute color pigments. You can use brushes with natural bristles for solvent-based products and brushes with plastic bristles for water-based ones. Applying 2-3 coats in the direction of the wood grain ensures optimal coloration and weather protection. Choosing the right brush is crucial for achieving clean and desired results. Use brushes with natural bristles for solvent-based paints and brushes with plastic bristles for water-based paints. The right brush and technique can make all the difference. Not all wood needs to be painted immediately. Fresh wood, like larch, can be left unpainted for a few years. Siberian larch, for example, may not need a brush for several years. Waiting allows the wood to age, making it more receptive to primers, glazes, or paints. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to varnish versus glaze for painting wood, along with the considerations for outdoor and indoor applications. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home improvement content, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.